Come with its own case and somewhat instructions. You know what I say? I think we should just turn it on and let this thing speak for itself. Self-leveling. That's very cool. Self-leveling, but a vertical line, and we have a horizontal line. It is so easy to set up, and like I said, I'm going to use this in my bathroom, and I think I could get a perfect line if I just set this up on my shelf. But it is so easy to set up. You literally can turn it on, and then when it reaches a level point, did you see that blinking? That's telling you that it's not level. And when you reach a level point, there you go. You can set it. It's blinking green. That thing is ready to go. You have a vertical line, and you have a 360 all the way around the room. That gives you make a level mark. Look at that. That's beautiful. All the way around the entire room, 360 degrees level. So if you're hanging a chair rail across your in your room, you have a level line to run your chair rail to. I do have the laser actually set up pretty nicely. It's just about perfectly with the top of that shelf, but we have some existing holes that we want to be able to cover up, possibly with this, only because we're not going to fix that spot right now, just because we don't have the stuff to fix it. So I'm going to bang that in a little bit, smooth it out some. I'm going to move the shelf up about maybe an inch. So both of these shelves are going up 1 inch from where they were before. So this is how they work. They have a little mount in the back. And this laser light for this particular situation works perfectly because you can measure down from the laser to the screw and know exactly where you're going to be. And you're going to do the same thing on this side over here, measure down from there to the screw. So moving it up, what you're going to do is, if you have 2 inches here, you're just going to measure 1 inch. That gives you your shelf the ability to move up 1 inch, and we're going up 1 inch. So that's how I'll measure for mine. I'll measure from 1 inch from there to the line. To be honest, I have to say, incredible. For me, this is incredible. It makes everything in my own personal house, and literally I can put this laser up, set it up, and if it's not blinking, it's what you want. It's got a vertical line and a horizontal line, and I put, even though one of them has to be a sink in the wall and the other one is a screw, I can measure down to the center, from here to the center, here to the center, and that shelf will be still exactly the same. So I have to say that I give this laser level, as far as easy to use, I have to say it's an absolute, in my opinion, a 10 out of 10. I would buy this ACTBOT level. So go to actbot.com, and I'm going to try to leave a link in the description down below. For me, I'm buying this thing again. The price was incredible. You can check out the price in the website below. We're going to try to put a link in the description. So check that out. Very cheap. I couldn't believe the price of it. I mean, you can get this level for less than for less than $100, and that's pretty good, guys. And then all you have to do is buy your tripod. So the tripod does come separately, but it comes in its own case, and I'll be using this a lot more. It took me a while to go ahead and open the box on this thing and use it. I just haven't had the time, and I have to apologize for being so late to ACTBOT for not doing it. But again, 10 out of 10 for this thing.